Hello, it is time for Summer School 2020, Day 9. I'm so glad to join with you and work with you again. Let's get started. Our first task for Day 9 is numbers. We are going to color each shape to show the fraction. So I have my marker here ready to color. Our first fraction, number 1, is 3/4. So there are 4 parts to this rectangle, and I am going to color 3 of them. One, two, three. I'm going to color these 3 parts. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I will try to make it neat. There we go. I just colored 3/4 of the rectangle. 3 of the 4 parts are colored. 3/4. Next one, number 2, I'm going to color 1/3 of the circle. The circle is divided into 3 parts, and I'm going to color 1 of them. It doesn't matter which one, I'm just choosing this one. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I will try to make it neat. Here we go. And that is 1/3. Next one, number 3. Again, we have a rectangle divided into 4 parts, and I'm going to color 1/4 of the rectangle. So 1 of the 4 parts will be colored. Again, it doesn't matter which one, but I'll just choose this one, and I'll color that one in. There we go. 1/4 is colored. Number 4, we have a circle divided into 3 parts. I'm going to color 2/3 of the circle. So 2 of the 3 parts will be colored. Doesn't matter which 2. I'm going to choose these 2 parts to color in. And there we go. All right. Super job. Let's go on to the next section, and we will read the directions together. We are going to write each word from the word bank under the word that has the same beginning sound. Here we have the word celery. Celery starts with C, but it's a soft C. It's what we call soft C because it makes the S sound, kind of like an S. But it's a soft C sound. Here we have the word cat. K, k, cat. Cat begins with C, but it's what we call the hard C sound. K. All right, let's get started. We're going to look at the words in the word bank, and we will decide if they start with soft C, like celery, or hard C, like cat. First word is cake. K, k, cake. Is it a soft C or a hard C? You're right. It's a hard C. Okay, there's my cat. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. Let's finish writing cake. And we'll go on to the next one. Circle. Circle. Does that C make the soft C sound like celery or the hard C sound like cat? Circle. It's the soft C sound, like in celery. Good job. Next one. Camp. K, k, camp. Is that soft C, like celery, or hard C, like cat? K, cat. It's a hard C. K, camp has a hard C, like k, cat. Next one. City. City. Does the C have a soft C sound like celery or a hard C sound like cat? It's soft C. City has a soft C sound like celery. Next one. Candy. K, candy. Does the C have a soft C sound like celery or a hard C sound like cat? K, candy. It's a hard C like cat. K, candy is hard C like k, cat. Next one. Coat. K, coat. Is it soft C like celery or hard C like cat? K, coat. It's hard C like cat. Next, center. Center. Is it soft C like celery or hard C like cat? Center. It's soft C, like celery. All right, next one. Corn. K, corn. Is it soft C, like celery, or hard C, like cat? K, corn. It's hard C, like cat. Corn. Next word, cereal. Cereal. Is it soft C, like celery, or hard C, like cat? Cereal. It's soft C. You're doing a great job. One more. Scent. Scent. Is it soft C, like celery, or hard C, like cat? It's soft C. Good job. And we are finished with that section. We're going to go on to the other side. Okay. Here we've got problem solving. We're going to solve each problem, and just by looking at this, I can see that these problems are going to have 2 digits. They're going to be a little bit harder than our 1-digit problems, but we have done these together before, and we will be working together, so no worries, you're going to do great. Number 5. There are 26 students on one bus. Excuse me. There are 29 students on the other bus. How many students are on the buses all together? So we remember when we see the word all together, that means that are we going to add or subtract? We are going to add. What numbers are we going to add? We are going to add 26 plus 29. Now, if I were using a calculator, I could just type those numbers in and put my answer right here. I am not using a calculator, so I will rewrite my problem so that it's a little easier to do some regrouping, okay? When we add 2 digits, we start with the ones place, and we have 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. I remember that when I add a number to 9, that I go 1 less and add teen. So 1 less than 6 is 5. And then I add teen, so it's 15. Now, if 6 plus 9 is 15, do I write 15 right here in the ones place? No. I only write the 5 in the ones place, and I regroup or carry the 1 and put it in the tens place where it belongs. Now I can add all these tens together. I've got 1 10 plus 2 10s, so that's 3. 3 plus 2 more is 5. So the answer is 55. 55 what? 55 students, because remember it said how many students? 55 students. That was challenging, but you did a great job. Next one, number 6. Cynthia found 47 shells on the beach. Byron found 44 shells on the beach. How many shells did they find, excuse me, in all? So if we have the words in all, does that mean add or subtract? In all means add. What numbers will we add? 47 and 44. Again, I'm going to write my problem vertically. That means on top of each other, so that it's easier to do my regrouping. 7 plus 4. If you ever need help with your adding, you can use your number line that was brought to your house or in your learning packet. And we're going to figure out 7 plus 4. We can start at the number 7, and adding 4 means we're going to jump 4 times to the right, where the numbers get bigger when we add. So 4 times, 4 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4. And go down, and the answer is 11. Now again, 11 has 1s and 10s, so we're going to have to regroup. We're going to put the 1 in the 1's place and carry the 10 into the 10's place. Now we have these 10s to add together. 1 10 plus 4 10s is 5. 5 plus 4 is, do we need that number line again? We can use it if we need it. 5, we start at 5, and we're going to add 4 more. So we're going to go this way, go to the right, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 9. So there we go. The answer is 91. We'll write it here. 91 what? 91 shells, because it asked how many shells. 91, I'll write it down here. Shells. Oh, these story problems are challenging. We only have 2 more. Number 7. Tony ran 15 laps on Monday. He ran 17 laps on Tuesday. How many laps did Tony run all together? All together means what? Add or subtract? Add. Good job. And we will add what numbers? 15 and 17. Again, I will rewrite my problem so that it's easier to regroup. All right, we're going to start with our ones place. 5 plus 7. You can use the number line if you would like. I'll put it up here. So we'll start at 5, and we're going to add 7, or jump 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 12. 12 has 2 ones and 1 10. So we regroup there. And let's go ahead and add those 10s together. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 1 more is 3. So the answer is 32. 32 what? Laps. Laps. Last story problem. Number 8. Thomas saw 48 fish in one fish tank. Brooke saw 36 fish in another fish tank. How many fish did they see in all? Well, are we going to add or subtract? Here's our clue words. In all means add. And what numbers are we going to add? 48 plus 36. I'm going to rewrite my problem. And start with the ones place. 8 plus 6. We'll go ahead and use the number line again since we've been using it. And we'll start at 8 and jump 6 times to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 14. 4 goes in the ones place, 1 goes in the tens place. So we'll put 4 in the ones place and put the 1 in the tens place. Now let's add all the 10s together. 110 plus 410 is 5. And then 5 plus 3. If you need the number line, we can use it. Here's 5, and we'll jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 8. So the whole answer is 84. 84 what? 84 fish. And that's it for the story problems. Oh, That was hard work. Next section. We are going to, for number 9, we are going to write a sentence that ends with a period. This can be any sentence. What should we write about? I'll write about my cat since she decided to visit with us earlier. I'll write, I have a cat. And it ends with a period. It's a declarative sentence. If you want to write a different sentence, you can. If you have a dog, you can write, I have a dog. Next one, number 10, write a sentence that ends with a question mark. So I'm going to ask, do you have a cat? Do you have a cat? It's a question, so it ends with a question mark. Do you have a cat? And there's our question with the question mark. Last one, number 11. Write a sentence that ends with an exclamation point. That means a sentence with some excitement or emotion and strong emotion in it. So I could say something about my cat. How about, I love my cat. I love my cat. Exclamation point. All right. That's it, unless you want to do the fitness flash, jog in place for 30 seconds. And that's it for Day 9. Great job.